Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most talked about machines in the heavy equipment world, the 2026 Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer. Caterpillar has been the gold standard in construction and earthmoving equipment for decades, and every time they release a new flagship model, the entire industry pays attention. The D-Series dozers already carry a reputation for unmatched durability and strength, and the D12 pushes that reputation even further. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the new D12, from the exterior design and build quality to the interior cab and operator experience, the performance and technology that set it apart, and finally, the price and overall value this machine brings to the table. The first thing you notice when standing in front of the 2026 Caterpillar D12 is its sheer presence. Caterpillar hasn't reinvented the look of the dozer after all. Its design is iconic, but they have refined it in smart, modern ways. The machine's bodywork is stronger and slightly more aerodynamic, which helps with cooling and efficiency. The blade on the D12 is massive, with reinforced steel and modular attachments that make it more versatile than ever. Whether you're grading smooth surfaces, moving huge volumes of dirt, or ripping through rocky ground, the D12 blade can be adjusted and equipped for the task. Every part of the undercarriage has been re-engineered for stability. The new track system uses wider shoes and an advanced suspension setup, giving the dozer better traction and smoother operation, even on rough terrain. That means more control for the operator and less wear and tear over time. Caterpillar also redesigned the service panels, giving crews quicker and easier access for fueling, maintenance, and inspections. It may not sound like a big deal, but small details like this save valuable time and keep projects running on schedule. Lighting is another area Caterpillar has taken seriously. The D12 is fitted with all-new LED work lights that create a clear, daylight-like view of the site. They're carefully positioned to eliminate blind spots and give operators the visibility they need to work safely during night shifts. Safety also gets a boost with stronger guardrails, high-traction walkways, and brightly marked service points that reduce the risk of accidents during operation or routine checks. Everything about the exterior design reinforces the machine's reputation for toughness while making it easier and safer to use every single day. Climbing inside the cab of the D12, you can immediately see that Caterpillar prioritized comfort and technology. The interior feels larger and more open than previous models, giving operators room to move without feeling cramped. The seat is fully adjustable, with air suspension and lumbar support designed to reduce fatigue during long shifts. Caterpillar has also dramatically reduced cab noise and vibration, so the operator experiences a much smoother and quieter ride than before. The visibility from inside is excellent, thanks to wider glass panels and slimmer structural supports. On top of that, optional 360-degree cameras give the operator a complete view of the dozer's surroundings, which is a huge safety advantage. On busy job sites, the control system inside the D12 is one of its most impressive upgrades. Instead of old-fashioned levers and gauges, operators now interact with a high-resolution touchscreen that feels more like a tablet. From this display, they can monitor the machine's performance, fuel consumption, hydraulic pressure, and even blade positioning. The system is fully integrated with Caterpillar's CAT-grade technology, which uses GPS to guide the machine in precision grading. With this system, operators can set exact measurements, and the dozer automatically follows them, dramatically reducing error and improving efficiency. The controls themselves have been simplified into responsive joysticks, making the D12 easier to operate with less physical strain. For seasoned Caterpillar operators, the difference in responsiveness is immediately noticeable. The cab also includes modern amenities that help during long shifts. Air conditioning and heating come standard, along with Bluetooth, USB ports, and a more advanced sound system. These features may not affect performance, but they improve operator comfort and comfort translates to productivity. The machine is also equipped with telematics, which allows fleet managers to track location, fuel usage, and maintenance schedules remotely. Real-time data like this helps reduce downtime and keeps machines in peak condition. Under the hood, the 2026 Caterpillar D12 is powered by a new 1,200 horsepower engine that strikes a balance between raw power and fuel efficiency. This engine incorporates advanced combustion technology and hybrid assistance to significantly cut down emissions and meet the strictest environmental standards around the world. Fuel efficiency is up by nearly 15% compared to earlier models, which means lower operating costs for companies and more productivity per gallon. The dozer's blade capacity has been expanded, allowing it to move more material in fewer passes. Paired with intelligent load-sensing hydraulics, the D12 automatically adjusts to the resistance of the ground, applying just the right amount of force without wasting fuel or straining the system. The rear ripper has also been upgraded to provide more penetrating power for breaking up dense soil and rock, making the D12 a machine that can handle just about any environment. Perhaps the most forward-looking feature of the D12 is its semi-autonomous capability. Using Cat Command technology, the dozer can be operated remotely from a safe distance or programmed to complete certain tasks on its own using preset grading maps. This is especially useful in high-risk environments like mines or unstable ground conditions where operator safety is a concern. Over time, the system learns from operator input and improves its efficiency, essentially becoming smarter with use. Caterpillar is clearly preparing the industry for a future where automation plays a bigger role, and the D12 is a big step in that direction. Durability has always been a trademark of Caterpillar machines, and the D12 is no exception. Its reinforced steel frame is built to handle extreme conditions, with Caterpillar claiming a 20% increase in structural strength compared to earlier models. The cooling system has also been enhanced with smarter thermostatic controls and high-capacity radiators, ensuring reliable performance even in the harshest climates. Every detail, from the frame to the hydraulics, is designed for long-term durability, which is critical for contractors who rely on these machines day in and day out. Now let's talk about cost. The 2026 Caterpillar D12 is not a small investment. The expected price sits between $2.2 and $2.5 million, depending on options, attachments, and tech packages. While that number might make some people pause, for contractors and mining companies, the math makes sense. This bulldozer is built to move more material in less time, burn less fuel, and require less downtime for maintenance. Over the long run, those savings and productivity gains can more than pay for the machine itself. Caterpillar also offers financing and leasing options, so companies can adapt their investment strategy to their needs. To sum it up, the 2026 Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer is more than just a machine, it's a statement about where the industry is headed on the outside. It's stronger, more versatile, and easier to service. On the inside, it's more comfortable, more connected, and smarter than ever before. Its performance is unmatched, combining sheer power with efficiency and advanced automation features. Yes, it carries a premium price tag, but the return on investment makes it one of the smartest buys for companies looking to stay competitive in a rapidly evolving construction landscape. The D12 is built not just to handle today's jobs, but to prepare operators and companies for the future of heavy equipment. Caterpillar has once again raised the bar, and the D12 will no doubt become a benchmark machine in the bulldozer world for years to come. Thanks for watching today's breakdown of the 2026 Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more deep dives into the latest heavy equipment, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming uploads.